Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling Assistive Touch because it replicates the Home button without physical presses. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch, and turn on Assistive Touch. Once done, a floating button appears. Make sure to place it where it won't block important UI. Next, customize the top-level menu so one tap returns you home, or set double tap and long press to other functions. This gives you immediate, tactile-free control and prevents wear on a physical home key. Now configure BackTap to use the device's accelerometer for a virtual home control. In Settings, Accessibility, Touch, choose BackTap, then pick Double Tap or Triple Tap and assign it to Home Assistive Touch or Home Action. You're doing this because it's fast and hands-free. Make sure to test different tap speeds and adjust how you hit the back to avoid accidental triggers. Finally, try it with your case on. Since some covers dampen taps, adjust until reliable. Finish by adding voice and shortcut options so you have multiple non-press methods. Enable voice control or use Siri to say a phrase like "Go home" that triggers an assistive touch home tap. Alternatively, build a shortcut. Record a custom phrase that runs the assistive touch action. These methods are helpful when your hands are occupied. If something doesn't work, reboot the device, ensure iOS is updated, and check for conflicting accessibility features. This single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.